was wondering if I could copy your notes for today. Yeah, I know it's like towards the end of class, but I really wasn't paying attention. Would you mind? Yeah. Okay, perfect. What's your name? Oh. That's different. Never heard of that before. Jimenez. Yeah. Yeah, I'm usually not really in class. Sometimes I'm just not feeling it, it doesn't really call to me, so I usually just show up when I know that we have an exam coming up. But this last one, someone mentioned that it was going to be pretty hard, so I wanted to show up a little early this time. Yeah. How'd you do in the last one? It's not too bad. I guess you're pretty good at this, huh? You think you can give me yesterday's notes too, then? Yeah. You have to get them out your locker. That's fine. Yeah, that's no problem at all. I'll follow you after class. So, how long do you think this test is going to be? I'm just asking because usually I don't really like to spend my time in one place longer than 20 minutes or so. Yeah, I just don't really, it doesn't really suit me. I just need to move around. You think if I start the test and then faint, they'll let me retake the rest of it? Or I guess finish the rest of it later? Yeah, I think it'll work too. I'm just trying to make sure that I at least get a C in this class. Yeah. Because if I get a C in this class, I have A's in the rest of my classes, so it'll kind of average out. Yeah, I don't show up for classes, but I still know what I'm doing. This one is just really intense. I just don't really have the time for it, Yeah, seriously, who has 17 sections for one chapter? It's insane. Yeah. You been looking at grad schools yet? Yeah, me too. I am all over the place. I honestly haven't even decided what I wanted to study yet. I can't decide between physics or law or geology. So it's just kind of been a rough patch because it's they're all completely different type of subjects or vibes. Because I guess geology and physics are both science, but there's completely different subcategories of science and they are not the same at all. So I'm just kind of all over the place right now. I just really need to make a choice. What are you thinking about? Oh, okay. I could actually see that for you, I guess. I don't really know you like that, but you just kind of give off that type of aura. think it'll do you pretty nice. Okay. So do you know when the test is exactly? Like what day? Sorry, I'm so tired. I did not want to come here today. Okay, let me make sure I write that down. Oh my gosh. That is so weird. My necklace came off. I guess I should have secured it better, huh? Let's see. Oh, better. Yeah, this one, I found it at this shop not too long ago. It was like a nice little shop. They had like a bunch of different crystals and books and things in there. It was really nice, but super cute. The minute I saw it, I was just like, oh, you've got to get it. The little crosses that are daggers. It's really cool. I'm a fan. Nope. No, we're just talking about the notes for today. Well, you want us to pass the class, though, don't you? We can't pass the class if we don't talk to one another, do we? Exactly. You know, sometimes I don't understand professors. They just want to talk and 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 talk over and over and over about the same stuff. But the minute you want to talk to one another, now it's required for everything to be complete silence. But they don't ask questions, they don't engage us, they don't do anything. So how are we supposed to learn if we're just supposed to sit and listen? It makes no sense. That's another reason why I just want to get a C in this class and just be over it. I can't do it. Seriously. Okay, so I see on this page you said that if Z is subtracted from 1/4 to 3, then it would equal Fortnite and square 2. But I thought that it would equal Fortnite and square 4 subtract 3. No? How'd you get that? No, but like, I was going off the notes from last Tuesday. Oh, on Thursday then. She says completely scratch those notes. Okay. I guess. This is what I'm talking about. There was one day in this class and everything was just all over the place. I mean, I've missed like 8 classes, but that's completely beside the point. You think she does it on purpose? I think she does it on purpose. It just looks like she does. I don't know. Something about her. I actually had a dream about her yesterday, and she gave me an F for the entire class, which wouldn't even be possible. But I will say, if on the day the grades come out, I have an F in this class, I already know about it. it's honestly kind of sick when you think about it. I just have to get these last few notes before class ends. And then we can get the other notes from your locker, right? Perfect. There's actually this party going on tomorrow that is going to be pretty cool. It's going to be a blood rave. It's not actual blood, obviously. But, you know, it's going to be nice music, really good vibes, lots of dancing, cool drinks if you're into that. It's going to be pretty good. You would definitely for sure have to eat beforehand though, because they do not sell food there. Trust me, I learned the hard way. After a heavy pregame and showing up there with nothing to eat, let's just say blood was not the only thing going everywhere. It was a mess. So yeah, we should go. Starts at 11. I know tomorrow's Wednesday. That's fine. You don't go out on the weekdays? Interesting. You're lost. You'll come with me. Okay, perfect. It's gonna be so fun. Seriously. Yeah. You can have like a little snack at my place or something, or we can stop somewhere. It's up to you. Okay, perfect. What's your number?